Hey everyone, getting call failed on Verizon. This guide walks through network diagnostics, SIM validation, and device level fixes for both Android and iPhone, complete troubleshooting step by step. To fix Verizon call failed issue on Android or iPhone, post check you have a strong signal and that airplane mode is off. Toggle airplane mode off and on, then restart your phone. If you use eSIM, turn your eSIM line off for 10 seconds and back on. Reset your network settings, check for local Verizon outages and ensure your account is active with no restrictions. If the issue continue, contact Verizon support for further help. Why Verizon call failed Android and iPhone? Poor or weak signal due to distance from cell size, interference, obstructions, terrain, or building materials can cause calls to fail. Account issues such as incomplete service transfer, suspension, or restriction. Example Verizon Smart Family can block calls. Phone settings like airplane mode enable or Wi Fi calling turned off can prevent calls. Verizon network outages can put phone in SOS mode. SIM or eSIM problems and replacement requires. Fix one, check your Verizon account status. Make sure your line is active and not suspended, disconnected, or flagged for fraud, lost, or stolen or non-payment. To check Verizon account status, go to the My Verizon website and log into your account. Click on the Account Overview drop-down menu. Under My Devices, select Suspend or Reconnect. Look for a service suspended label next to any line that is currently suspended. Fix to power cycle your device. Restart your device as a simple 4-step to potentially resolve connectivity issues. For Android, press and hold the volume down button and the power button simultaneously to lock button. Select restart and wait for the device to restart. For iPhone, press and hold either volume button and the side button until the power off sliders appears. Drag the power off slider to the right and wait 30 seconds. For the device to turn the device back on, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Fix 3. Refresh network. Turning off and on airplane mode will help the device from disconnecting from the weak signal and help to connect with strong signal. For Android, swipe down from the notification area twice or swipe down once with two fingers to reveal the quick settings toggles. Tap the airplane mode icon to enable or disable it. For iOS, swipe up from the bottom of any screen and tap on or off the airplane icon in the upper left corner. Fix 4. Check network status. There might be an issue with the Verizon network, hence the mobile data is not working. However, the issue will be resolved automatically within 2 hours. To check network status, visit Verizon's official website, select Issue as Data and click Use My Location. Fix 5. Check coverage area. Confirm you are in coverage area, enter your location in search bar and check for coverage status. Fix 6. Reset the Wi-Fi connection. To delete and reconfigure a Wi-Fi network on Android or iPhone, follow these steps. Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi, tap the network you want to delete and select Forget Network. To reconfigure the network, tap Add Network and enter the SSID security type and password. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Wi-Fi, tap the information eye icon next to the network you want to delete. Tap Forget this network and confirm. To reconfigure, tap Add Network at the bottom and enter the network details. Fix 7. Remove and reinsert SIM. There might be an issue with the SIM and it unable to find the signal. If your SIM can't find a signal, turn off your phone and use the SIM ejection tool to remove the SIM tray. Check the SIM for damage or dirt. Clean it if needed, then reinsert the SIM tray firmly and turn your phone back on. Fix 8. Contact Verizon support. There might be an issue with the SIM. You can request for SIM replacement if you are a new customer. Confirm the activation status by contacting Verizon support. Contact Verizon at 1-800-837-4966 for further assistance or to request a replacement device. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.